Hi friends, I'm Error Slayer and today I'll show you how to get API key from ElevenLabs. If you're ready, as a first step, go to the official ElevenLabs website and log into your account. Then scroll down the menu on the left and open the developers page. Next, click the API Keys tab. Then click the Create Key button. If you are generating multiple API keys, you can give them names to avoid confusion. Next, you must grant access permissions based on the purpose for which the generated API key will be used. This part entirely depends on how you intend to use the API key. Once everything is ready, click the Create Key button. Your API key has been generated. You can quickly copy it and start using it. If you want to make changes to access permissions or need to copy your API key again, you can do so by clicking the three dots to the far right of your API key. I hope this step-by-step guide on how to get an API key from ElevenLabs has been helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment. Also, don't forget to subscribe to the Error Slayer YouTube channel and like the video. Have a nice day.